Hey everyone, my name is Alex Bell, and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help streamers grow faster on Twitch and Kick. Today is May 8th, 2026, and in this video, I'll be comparing the 3 best sites to buy Twitch followers in 2026. I tested all of them based on delivery speed, follower quality, pricing, and ease of use. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1 is Followers Panda. Followers Panda is one of the most trusted Twitch growth websites and has been providing Twitch services since 2019. They offer Twitch followers, viewers, chatters, and Kick services as well. What I liked most was the fast delivery and simple ordering process. Here's how it works step by step. First, open Google and search for Followers Panda. Open the website and click on Buy Twitch Followers. Next, select the follower package you want. After that, enter your Twitch username and your email address. Then verify your email using the OTP code they send you. Create your password, continue to check out, and choose your payment method. They support Stripe, PayPal, crypto, and wallet balance. Once the payment is complete, your order starts processing almost instantly. During my test, the followers started arriving in under a minute. The profiles also looked much more realistic compared to many other sites. Overall, Followers Panda was the best combination of speed, quality, and reliability in this comparison. The second site is Stream Boost Now. This website is cheaper and good for smaller streamers on a budget. The setup process is simple. Choose a package, enter your Twitch username, complete payment, and wait for delivery. The followers arrived slower compared to Followers Panda, but the service still worked fine overall. The third site is Social Growth Hub. This platform also offers Twitch and Kick growth services. The dashboard was clean and easy to use. You simply pick a package, enter your Twitch username, and complete checkout. The delivery was stable, but overall slower than the first 2 sites. If you want the best overall site with fast delivery and an easy setup process, Followers Panda was definitely my top pick. If this comparison helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.